Hi, I'm Nitya and I go to Lindbergh High School, and this is my third milestone for my hexapod. For this milestone, I worked on building the remote control for the hexapod and controlling it and practicing how to control it with the hexapod. So here's a demo. So I can turn on the power for the hexapod and it goes into the default position that I calibrated, and then I can use the controller to move it forward and different kinds of motion. So it can go forward or can turn and then go forward. Here, fall off. Yeah, and it can also rotate. So also there are two knobs, and these can be used to control the height of the hexapod. So here, this one, yeah, or yeah. So basically, how the controller how the controller works is that it has an Arduino board, which is soldered to a remote shield, and it has these different buttons which can be used to control its motion. So there's these three buttons, and when these are switched on, I can use the joystick to move the hexapod. And also there's a wireless module which allows it to wirelessly connect with the hexapod. And the way the wireless module works is that it transmits data to the hexapod through the use of radio waves, and that allows it to send instructions to the hexapod. So a few challenges I faced this milestone was that originally when I was trying to upload the example sketch into the remote, I kept getting an error that said that the Arduino IDE couldn't recognize my board, and eventually I had to get help from an instructor, and they had to change the address of the board in like the Arduino config files, and that was really interesting to see how he debugged the error. For my next milestone, I'm going to work on making my modifications. Thank you.